Have you been struggling to make money online? Tired of watching countless boring make money online videos that are not feasible? If yes, it's time to say goodbye to all of these crappy videos because I will be showing you something which I recently discovered, and this is 100% effective. When I realized that this method brings results, I immediately thought of making a video about it so that I could share it with you guys. The truth is, this method is the easiest method of making money online, and you don't need to be a tech guru to do this. You can do this on your computer or your mobile phone, and anybody from anywhere in the world can implement this method. Don't believe it? Take a look at my earnings from this method, which I will share with you today. I did this for a short period and I was able to make this insane amount. Imagine if I could dedicate a whole day implementing this method. That means I would be able to make quadruple of this amount. In this video, I'll show you how to also earn just like this. The website that I found out about is called creativelive.com. This is the first time I'm sharing this website with you on this channel, and what this website does is that it offers various classes to people who want to learn online, but don't worry because you won't be signing up as a student on this website, because I found a stress-free way to earn money from it, and I'll share it with you on this video. Like I said earlier, people who want to learn something can subscribe for access to 2,000 classes taught by the world's top experts. They have a lot of classes available on this website, and people can access them anytime. The best thing about this website is that people can download the videos if they want to watch them offline. As you can see here, they have classes for photo and video, self-improvement, lighting, portrait, money and finance, drawing, posing, wedding, graphic design, videography, and many more. If you want to view all the classes, just click on See All Classes right here, and then you will be redirected to this page where they will show you all the available classes, and they have a lot of classes which people can watch. You might be wondering right now how much we can make from this website. Well, you can make somewhere between $400 to $650 passively, meaning you'll just set the system once and you can start making money. Now, when you check out their homepage, you can see how many people are currently using this website. And there are more than 10 million people from different countries using this website. That's a lot of people, which means that you can also make a lot of money from it. I want you to keep on watching this video till the end because I'll be showing you some exclusive bonus tips which you can only find on this YouTube channel. People don't share these tips, but because I want you to make money online just like I'm doing, that's why I'm sharing these tips with you. Now, the way we can earn money from this website is through affiliate marketing. So basically, we will refer many people to this platform to sign up, and then we will get a commission every time someone signs up using our affiliate link. Don't you think this is one of the easiest online money-making strategies? I'll show you later on how to get your affiliate link and where you can share that link with many people that will enable you to earn affiliate commissions. So stay tuned while I show you in just a moment. This is 100% legit, and your earning potential on this website is unlimited. You don't need to invest your hard-earned money. To start doing this, you can do this for 100% free, and at the end of the day, you will get your affiliate commissions. This is actually a win-win situation for you and the person who will click your affiliate link, because they can actually learn a lot of things on this website and you will get your commissions when they sign up. Don't worry, because people don't really need to spend a lot of money, because they can actually sign up for as low as $12.42, and they will already have access to a lot of classes on this website. Now I'll show you how to sign up as an affiliate on this website, and I really want you to focus on this part because I will be showing you a live demonstration on how to do it. If you guys are gaining something, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To start earning as an affiliate, all you need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then under the Join Us section, you'll be able to see Become an Affiliate. Click on it and you'll be redirected to their affiliate program page, where you can see here, the affiliate program make money by connecting your audience to great content. Now, when we scroll down below, you'll be able to see that they actually share 30% of the sales from new customers. The best thing about their affiliate program is that you can do real-time tracking of your earnings, and they offer you some advanced reporting tools. Another thing that I like about their affiliate program is that you can still earn commissions on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. So even if the person who clicked your link did not purchase instantly from their website, you can still earn money if they decide to purchase something within 30 days. Okay, you might be thinking that the 30-day commission thing is small, but let me make something clear to you. If they purchase this class, which is $49, you will get 30% of that, and that would be somewhere around $15, just like that. You now have $15 on your account. Quite simple, right? Just imagine if you could do this for a lot of people. That is huge commissions coming into your account. Don't worry now, because I'll be showing you later on where you can actually share your link and get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link. Looking to join their affiliate program? All you need to do is click on the sign up button right here and you will be redirected to this page where you can sign up as an affiliate. This is free. You don't need any sign up fee. You can go ahead and read more about their affiliate program, and I'll leave that up to you to read through to proceed with the sign up process. Just provide your personal information in these boxes, and once you're done with that, simply click on this button to proceed to the next step. Once you're done with the sign-up process, you can now start to share your affiliate link with other people and earn affiliate commissions from that. As you can see here, there are a lot of classes which you can share with people, and whenever they make payment for that class, you'll be able to earn money. It's as simple as that. Like I said before at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you some websites where you can share your affiliate link and get a lot of traffic. The first website is a platform that a lot of you might be very familiar with, which is Twitter. You can simply visit www.twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Once you have an account, the next thing you need to do is go to the search box of Twitter and search for something like how to edit using Adobe Photoshop or some other similar question. Click on search, and then Twitter will show you some relevant searches, and all you need to do is click on them and interact with the person. Once you can connect with that person, you can now direct them to creativelive.com using your affiliate link, and whenever a class is purchased from Creative Live, you will earn your commissions. This method is powerful and guaranteed to give you huge commissions. The next website is Quora.com. This website has a lot of traffic and high engagement. People come to this website and ask some questions, so on the search box you can simply search for the same keyword you searched on Twitter and then just interact with any of these questions. Then direct them to the Creative Live website using your affiliate link, and they can now purchase a class and learn from it. That's another affiliate commission on your account. The last website where you can get a lot of traffic is via Facebook. Using the Facebook platform to get a lot of traffic is easy. Just log into your Facebook account, just type in graphic design on the search box and hit search. The next thing you need to do is filter the search and choose groups related to graphic design. All you need to do is join these groups and start interacting with the members. And if they're interested in learning graphic design, just direct them to Creative Live, provide your affiliate link, and boom, you start making huge commissions. Making money online has never been this easy. Want to earn money simply by watching videos? Click here! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.